Alright, latest project for Half-Ass Garage. It's an old Triumph Trident. Got a seized piston right onto the connecting rod. And the weird part is, fucking damn British bikes, there is no wrist pin bearing. It's just right into the connecting rod. And this is seized to the connecting rod. So that's going to be frickin' lovely. So we got redone head, cylinders, all the other stuff.
Half-ass is back.
Half-ass is back. So, why do we think it's seized? Well, maybe that right there. Focus. Go focus.
That's not coming out, but...
Yeah, that. And that's got a dent in it from that. And that's all cracked. What's going on with that? That right there. Just lovely.